Hi, good morning everyone. My name is Robert Torion, a BSREM student, and for today's video, I will be assuming that I am a land surveyor, surveying a land and determining its perimeter and area. And for today's video, I will perform measurement. I will be measuring a land, and after measuring it, I will find its perimeter and then the angle. So to start, here's the video of me measuring a piece of land. And so after measuring the land, I have here illustration so I can perform the necessary calculations like the perimeter of that certain land and the area of the land. So I have illustrated here point A to B, which has a course of 281 degrees, the distance of 3.38 meters. B to C with a course of 192 degrees with the distance of 4.191 meters. Then point C to D with a course of 100 degrees having a distance of 3.429 meters. Then D to A having a course of 358 degrees and a distance of 4.29 meters. And to create a triangle, so we have to put a line from A to C, which is 5.56 meters. So here A to B is 3.38 meters, course of 281 degrees. So because it is in the fourth quadrant, so I subtracted 360 degrees to 281. Come outing with the bearing of 79 degrees north of west. In point B to C, the distance is 4.191 meters with a course of 192, and it is in the third quadrant, so I have subtracted 192 degrees to 180 degrees. So I come up with the bearing of 12 degrees south of west. In point C to D, we have a distance of 3.429 meters with a course of 100 degrees, and because it is in the second quadrant, I subtracted 180 degrees to 100 degrees with the result of 80 degrees south of east. And then point D to A with the distance of 4.29 meters with a course of 358 degrees, and it is in the fourth quadrant, so 360 degrees minus 358 results to 2 degrees north of west, and point A to C is 5.56 meters. So after plotting, so after identifying the given, I will now solve for the area first of triangle B. So the formula for first is we need to find the S. So the formula for S is 1/2 A plus B plus C. Our point A is 4.29 meters, or the point A to D. So 4.29. So our B here is 3.429, which is C to D, and the diagonal line will represent our letter C right here. So the diagonal line is 5.56 meters. So after substituting the value, we now get S equals to 6.64 meters. Then after getting the S, we can now get the area of triangle B, which has the formula of square root of S times S minus A times S minus B times S minus C. Then after substituting the values, we now get these values: 6.64 times 2.35 times 3.211 and 1.08. Then multiplying the answer, multiplying the numbers, we get square root of 54.11. And the square root of 54.11 is now the area of triangle B, which is 7.36 square meters. So after getting the value of triangle B, we will now get the value of triangle A, which has the point A will be 3.38 meters, point B will be 4.191, and point C will be 5.56. So the same process, S is equals to 1/2 A plus B plus C. Then substitute the values. So the S now is 6.67 meters. Okay, no, nice space. So to find the area of triangle A, again the formula is S times S minus A, S minus B times S minus C. Then substitute the values. So triangle A will now have the area of 7.1 square meters. Then we will solve the perimeter of the land. So the formula for the perimeter is P equals to P1 plus P2 plus P3 plus P4. Then substitute the values. 3.38.
Then add everything. So we will have a perimeter of 15.29 meters.
So after solving the perimeter and the area of two triangles, we will now add both the area of triangle A and triangle B to come up with the total land area of this land. So total area is equals to area A plus area B. 7.1 square meter plus 6.57 square meter. So the total area is 14.46 square meters.
Savage yun, asa. Ay, savage. Yatek, yatek. Anong yatek?
And that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching.